In this video, you will learn how to draw,
Wheeler.
and I'm certain you will be proud of your final drawing. However, if you aren't proud of it, then let me know, and I will forever live in shame for being a bad teacher. So let's begin with the eyes. That is often the best place to start. Great. Next, let's tackle the head. Great, and there we go. The head is done. Next, let's work on the body. A quick side note, if you like these videos and don't want to miss any, then you should consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. It's a good signal to both me and to YouTube that you like what I do. Also, subscribing is free. Great. Let's do some final details. And that is the line art done. The next step is the coloring. And that is all the coloring done. And there we go. And if you want to keep on learning how to draw, check out this video of how to draw
Grandpa Gravel.